In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix can't send any new messages in existing chat for 24 hours on Gemini. Let's get started. The first thing to try is opening a completely new chat and checking whether Gemini responds there. If the new chat works, the original conversation may be stuck. Next, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Then test the affected chat again. Some users have also reported access by opening the Gemini Gems page, which appears to force a fresh backend session. Next, you can try incognito mode. Click on three dots, navigate to the option New Incognito window. Head over to the website of Gemini. Now from here, you can try to use it. This might resolve the issue. Another option is to try accessing the conversation from a different device or Gemini mobile app. If the chat contains months of messages, codes, documents, or extensive content, it may have reached a backend processing limit, making it difficult for Gemini to continue. Unfortunately, if the thread remains locked for more than 24 hours, there may not be a user-side fix. In that situation, the best approach is to copy any important information from the conversation if possible, start a new chat, and submit feedback to Google through Gemini Help and Feedback section. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.